Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install applications for headphones Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro on your Android device. You have to start by opening Play Store, go to search again, and now you should write Galaxy wearable. Search. Install this. Now you should write Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. This is a plugin. Click on it and install. Now open the first one, application, Galaxy Wearable, and here we go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!